kitchen. We are back again. Today we are on a spree to prepare light soup, chicken light soup. We have our chicken and we have our fire on. Actually, there are so many ways to do it. We didn't seek to boil the garden eggs. We have our garden eggs, we have our pepper. I hope you can see. Then we have our chopped onions. Normally chop them into boxes. I'll have them in there. Then I'll pour some water for it to boil. It should be to steam. Actually, the chicken is steamed already, so we just want the garden eggs to boil well. So I'll add a lot of water to it. Thank you. So my water is going in. Then I'll have my lid to cover it. That's my lid. But before I cover it, I have salt. So I'll put in a pinch of salt. So that's my salt going in there. I have already blended some ingredients. I have them blended. So I want to pour it in a bit. Pour everything in. So gradually it will take its time to boil the whole ingredients as we make our pepper soup, our chicken pepper soup, our light soup, our garden egg soup, whatever you call it. Wow. Alright, so at this stage I need to have my lid well covered. Okay, so we see even the steam of the heat amassing on the lid. Okay, follow us through. Let's enjoy. Can come around as we enjoy our chicken light soup, chicken pepper soup, to go with fufu. So you are all invited. Okay, so we have gotten to the time that we need to remove all the garden eggs from the boiling soup. We need to blend it. It's a bit hot, so we will keep it so it cools down a bit before we blend it. So meanwhile, we will just tilt our lid to blend all the seeds in the garden eggs are well blended. Yeah. This blender is really a good blender. It has blended all. We can't even trace any seeds. Okay. Contents of it inside. I want a bit of some pepper. Inside, though I've added some pepper. Okay, now I get to wash the inside of my garden eggs. I'm pouring the water, more water. I need to add our tomato paste. So I'm using this brand of tomato paste. Okay, so the contents of my tomato paste inside. Meanwhile, I have my fire on. I need to add a little bit more water. I'm adding more water. Alright, so keep watching our space. Paintsiwaa's Kitchen. We have also another channel, Patience Paintil. Keep subscribing, like, share, comment. Voila. When it starts boiling, we'll get you to see it. So very soon, our soup, our chicken light soup, our chicken pepper soup will be well cooked. We tilt our lid for it to allow it to simmer. Alright, so we get to add the already pounded plantain. Going to mix it for the real deal. Alright, so our chicken light soup is ready with our fufu. Okay, like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button. Bye.